All right, guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back. We're looking at Bitcoin over here. This is where we were at last. As you can see, it did make a new high, and exactly as predicted, made a new high, came back, faked everyone out, and yeah. So now it's at like this support. So we have a bull flag kind of forming right now. Even on the 1 hour, as you can see, it is pulling back right now, and what we're gonna kind of see is for it to kind of keep chopping in this level, and then at the last moment before it actually rips up, it's gonna come down here, fake everybody out, thinks it's going down, and then it's gonna rip back up higher. So that's just how Bitcoin goes, or any chart really. I've been in the game for like about 2.5 years now, and I've seen it all. I made a bunch of money, I've lost a bunch of money, but that's just what comes with the game, right? So yeah, we do have ETH right here. Same kind of format. Both flags forming up. Could easily, because here's the thing. If something tries, multiple times to break through something and it doesn't, through like a resistant level, and it doesn't, it's gonna end up coming or going down or going whatever direction is opposite to this. You know what I mean? So that's just something you guys gotta look into. We did get liquidated from this position, which is totally fine. In hindsight, you should have known that, this is in a downtrend and we need to go short. But oh well, shit happens. That's totally fine. But these are just kind of the things. Like honestly, okay, I'll tell you guys. Trading, if you're gonna trade crypto, I really highly do not recommend anybody to trade. Okay, do not fucking trade. It's not worth it. You're gonna lose money. The best way of accumulating wealth within the crypto space is to literally just buy and hold. Just buy and hold. And you look back 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and you're making a shit ton of money. And imagine that on leverage. So with leverage, I don't recommend anyone going above 5 or 10. If you're looking up, definitely 5, not more than 5, because you can easily get liquidated, and you need to have some kind of margin, in your bank. So I would definitely recommend, let's say if you have $2,000, $3,000 in leverage, well, $3,000 leveraged 5 times, that would be around, you're controlling $50,000. I would recommend that you have almost match it, if not at least 50% in margin just sitting in your account. Okay, and this is just to keep you from getting liquidated. It's going to be much easier for you to get liquidated if you're going anything over 5 leverage, like super easy. 20 leverage, 20x leverage, so easy for you to get liquidated. I've got liquidated many times. And I definitely would say, if you guys are trading, use the stop loss. Sometimes if you want to, like, if you have an amount, like for me, for example, I was risking, pretty much, a good chunk of my account, in my futures account, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna risk my whole account. I don't give a shit. And the whole account got liquidated, which is, I'm totally fine with that. I don't really care. That's just what comes with the game. But yeah, you can just look at these coins, man. Have a look at them. Just keep them on your watch list. Keep buying them slowly around, like definitely buying them around, like this trauma right here. So you don't want to be buying when it's pumping, man. Like that's the worst thing that you can do. So a good buying spot would be around the 73 cents. Something like that. And I'll tell you guys, I'll do another video of me explaining all the indicators that I have on here, so you guys can have a better idea of, what am I kind of using. But other than that, yeah, this is what we have here. Bitcoin is trying to make new highs. It does look like it is going to make a new high, but it's going to fake everybody else first and then make a new high. And then the next stop, I believe, should be around 28. Okay, guys, stay safe out there. Do not risk everything. Do not risk more than you're willing to lose. Yeah, just be cautious with this shit, because it's not fun when you go broke. Not fun at all. I've been there many times. I've gone to zero many times, and I'm still here. But yeah, let's become millionaires, guys. Like seriously, this is our chance. For the next year or so. I would say, like, it could easily, Bitcoin could easily not go up and then come back down to this 16K. But that's what I would love to see. Like the best thing that could ever happen is for Bitcoin to come down even to 10K. Though I would love for Bitcoin to come to 10K, but again, I don't think it's gonna happen, just because everybody's waiting there. Even if it does go down, it's not gonna be there for long. So it's just, this is the time to accumulate as much cash as you can, so when the opportunity presents itself, you can act upon it. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.